Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be working Uber Eats from home. I know what you guys thinking. What? How are you going to be doing that? So I'll be here receiving the orders and then I'll go out, deliver it and then come back. So I could be at home watching YouTube's, Netflix, eating Oreo cookies. And my goal for today is $100. It's going to be tough because there's not many restaurants around here, 15 to 20. And we'll see how it goes. We just hope for the best. And my shift's going to start from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and come along right along with me. See if I could achieve that. So now it's 11:02. I'm just going to log in now. First order, accept it. So I'll pick up that order 11:40. Let's see how far the customer lived. Customer is 6 minutes away. So I drop off customer order 11:52. Let's see. This sometimes takes so long to verify. Let's see what happened there. See, the photo didn't go through, so I have to send through a text message. Leave it at door. So I'll just head back to my my area where I start, close to my home. And if I didn't get anything, I'll just go home back and wait from home. So I have another order for $4.98, 3.7 kilometers. I'll accept that. Yeah, I was just like 2 minutes away from home and I got this order. So what's up, Dashers? What's up, Uber Eats drivers? How's it going? How's it going? Skip drivers, how's it going? What's up? What's up? I hope you guys having a good day. Making lots of money. It's fun for driving and deliver food, eh? It's fun. Some days are crap days. Right? I mean, every job have ups and downs, right? So some days is like so pick up the order from Pizza Hut. Let's see how far the customer lived. Dun, 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 dun. It's just so slow to find the address. Crazy, look. Customer is 2 minutes away, 1.9 kilometers. Let's go drop the food off for the customer. Arrive at customer 12:11. Customer says leave it at the door. So I have to take a picture again. Hopefully this picture works this time. So I drop off the order 12:13. Let's see if the picture goes through this time. It did. Deliver. Let's see how much they pay. So I have an order for 387. So a pickup order from Popeyes 1254. Let's see how far the customer live. Dun, dun, dun. Customer 1 minute 1 kilometers. That's not bad, but it's an apartment building. Apartment building. Arrive at customer 1257. Customer says meet at the door. So hopefully they come out and get their food. 120. Okay, I delivered that order 1258. Order deliver. Let's see how much. Wipe my hands. Get the virus off my hands. So I'm like a minute away from home, so I'm gonna head back home again. So I'm back home, 107. So I'll just wait for my next order. So I get an order for $8.52. I'll accept that one. So I'm headed to Starbucks to pick up this order. I waited an hour and 20 minutes before I got this one. And the whole point of this video is like you could be at home doing stuff, right? So you could be watching movies, watching YouTube, working on your computer, doing chores, doing laundry. I pick up the order from Starbucks and it's 4 minutes away to the customer. Leave it at the front step and ring doorbell. Sometimes people said ring the doorbell. Some people said don't ring the doorbell. I got a bad rating from not reading the note. Drop off customer order 245. Give her a thumbs up. Let's see how much did it pay. Back home, sweet home. So I'll be waiting for my next order from home and we see how it goes. So I got an order $5.15, 3 kilometers. Accept that. So pickup order from the subway. Let's see how far the customer live. Customer is 4 minutes away. So I arrive at the customer. Customer says leave it at the door on the step. Always remember to read the note. You'll be in trouble. Thank you. Drop off customer order 428. So I'm back home again waiting for order. The time is 4:45 and I'm at $40.40. And I said I'm gonna work till 7 o'clock. So I need $60 more in 2 and 15 minutes. So let's see how it goes. My goal was $100. but it's probably not possible because I'm not going to a busy area. I'm always coming back home and wait at home. So we'll hope for the best. We'll see what happens. We're from Popeyes, and it's like 15 kilometers. So I pick up the order from Popeyes. It's 5:21, and it's 2 order. Oh, let's see how far these people live. Okay, first person, 4 minutes. Okay, 5:34. I drop off the first customer order. Give him a thumbs up. Let's see how far the second customer is. Damn, second customer 11 minutes away. So I left the food at customer door. So I'll end my shift now. I started from 11 to 7, but I was working from home, or I was waiting for my order from home. So every time I delivered food, I came back and wait. So it wasn't a full 8 hours. And I'll give you guys a final update how much I made. And it was fun. You just go out, deliver your food, come back home, do your stuff. Hello YouTubers, how's it going? So I'll give you guys a final breakdown how my day went. So let's start with the first one. You'll see here $10.45. Here's the breakdown of it. The customer tipped me $3 there. This one was $6.77. Customer tipped me $1.80. This is $5.94. Yeah. Customer tipped me $2.06. This one was $12.09. Customer tipped me $3.56. This one $5.15. And the customer didn't tip. Big fat zero. I know that guy is not gonna tip. I delivered to him before, never tipped. And this was the double order, or stack order. $21.66. And customer tipped me $5.13. That between both of them. Between both customer tipped me $5.13. So the total is $62.06. So hello guys, so welcome back. I didn't achieve that $100 goal. I made $62.06, I think. As I said earlier, it was going to be tough because there's not many restaurants in here. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up so I could grow my channel. And stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.